Hello friends, this is a very easy abstract stamping nail art. For this, first apply a base coat and then I added white polish on my nails and let it dry completely. Then I used various colors as shown. Some of them are pastel colors like this light purple color and this light blue color. I just dabbed them on with the polish brush on my nails as shown, and then I took a slightly deeper pink color, and on the other side I used the skin color striped, followed by the light green color and the lilac color polish. So in this manner I created a base. You can apply a layer of top coat if you want, but I decided to do that later on and clean up any mess on the sides using nail polish remover and a cleanup brush. And the next step is take a stamping plate and use some of the abstract designs as I'm doing over here and stamp them on the nails. You can choose any shape that you like, and I have basically stamped with the deep maroon polish and the lilac and blue polish, and I've also done some layered stamping as I'm doing over here. Fill in some abstract shapes as I've done and let the polish dry off completely before doing the next step, because if the stamping polish is not completely dry, then you will get a lot of streak marks on it. So once you are satisfied with all the abstract stamping work that you have done on the base, the next step is allow the polish to dry off a little bit, because stamping polish takes a little time to dry off, and then finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and your very easy abstract stamping nail art design is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.